I would like to explain the method for writing or reading a program to or from the CPU module. When the configuration has two or more PLCs, parameter settings for multiple CPU are required. This setting is required because each CPU needs to know from where each I/O XY number starts in the main base slot. In configurations with only one CPU, this setting is not required. Please go to the next procedure. Next, I would like to explain the procedures for parameter setting for multiple CPUs when the configuration has two CPUs. Double-click PLC parameter in the project window of GXWorks2. The Q parameter setting dialog box appears. Click the Multiple CPU Setting tab. Set Number of PLC to 2. Click End.